Hello everyone, this is Shivani and welcome back to LitFun. Today we'll be discussing the last part of reported speech series, and in this video we are going to discuss imperative sentences. Yes, you heard that right. Now do you know what are imperative sentences? Anyone? Well, imperative sentences are the ones that contain your request, command, order, instruction or advice. Okay, so for example, if I say shut the door, this is an example of imperative sentence. Now what is different in imperative sentences is that when we change imperative sentences from direct to indirect speech, obviously we will encounter the inverted commas. Now when we talk about assertive sentences, declarative sentences, we remove the inverted commas and we replace it with that. But in case of imperative sentences, we remove the inverted commas and we write to. What do we write? To. And after that we have verb. Now this become your infinitive. Okay, so there is the rule that with T, if there is a verb following the verb to, then we will use the first form of the verb. Okay, so you must have never heard to danced. Have you? To sung? No. We always say to dance, to sing, to drink, to walk, etc. So what is the thing that you have to remember is that you will remove the inverted commas and you will write to, and with to you will always use first form of the verb. Now let's take a few examples. Let's say the question is, teacher said to the student, shut the door. Now this is what? This is an instruction. Okay. Now when we ask someone to do some work, we also use the verb ask. So here this said to can be replaced with the word ask. Please don't get confused. Ask का मतलब सिर्फ पूछना नहीं होता, बल्कि किसी को कुछ करने के लिए बोलना भी होता है, कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शन देना भी होता है. Or you can also use another word like instructed. Okay. So teacher will remain of course as it is. Teacher asked or instructed the student. Then as we have discussed, we will remove the inverted commas and what will we write? To. To. Now what is the sentence? Shut the door. And what is shut? It's the verb. So this will come as it is because it is already in its root form, in its first form of the verb. So to shut the door. And that's it. We have successfully changed direct speech to indirect speech. Let's take 2-3 more examples to make the concept clear. Rajiv said to his sister, please bring me a glass of water. A very common sentence. So what are we going to do is, let's start from the top. Rajiv will come obviously as it is. Now what is he doing here? The word please is shouting that it's a request. So if it's a request, what are we going to do? We are going to replace the word said to with requested. Rajiv requested his sister. Again we have inverted commas that we will remove and we will add to here. His sister to. Now please, what does please means? It's a request and we have already added the word requested here. So we do not need to write please. So we'll skip this word and we'll directly come here, which is the verb. And bring will come here as it is because it is the first form of the verb. Again, I am reminding you will not use second form or third form of the verb with to. First form of the verb will come as it is. Bring me. Who needs a glass of water? Rajiv. Who is Rajiv? Boy. With boy we use the pronoun he or him. So here it will be him. His sister to bring him a glass of water. Okay. In case you are confused why have we used him and not he, because here Rajiv is acting as object. He is receiving the thing. ठीक है. He कब आता? जब वो कोई काम कर रहा होता तब he आता. पर अभी यहाँ पर वो ऑब्जेक्ट है, उसको पानी का ग्लास मिलेगा, वो कुछ रिसीव कर रहा है, तो यहाँ पर हम कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज करेंगे? him. So Rajiv requested his sister to bring him a glass of water. Let's take the last example. All the questions will be of similar type. Let's say the officer said to Mohan, be alert while driving. Now this sounds more like an advice to me. Rest, it depends upon you how you take this situation. So how can we solve this question is, of course we'll again start with the officer. Said to will be changed by advised, or it can also be a warning in case something has happened. Warned. So you can use any appropriate verb here. The officer advised or warned Mohan. Inverted commas removed. To. So what will be right? यहीं से हम start हो जाएंगे. Be is also a verb. So the officer advised or warned Mohan to be alert while driving. Alright. So this is it. It's a very simple concept. You have to take care of the verbs that said to needs to be replaced. If there is the word please, obviously you will use the word requested. Rest you have to figure out the tone. If it's a order, you can use the verb ordered or command. If it's an instruction, instructed, advised, warned. Then inverted commas will be removed and they will be replaced with T or to. Okay, there will only be one change in the verb, that you will use the first form of the verb जो mostly आपको question में दिया होगा. तो verb आपको as it is copy करनी है और pronouns आप जैसे change करते हो वैसे ही वो change होते रहेंगे. Apart from that, there are the adverbs like today. So today is used as that day. Now changes to then. Okay, so these are very simple changes that you need to learn. So this is it, and with this we have completed the entire reported speech topic. If you have not seen my previous videos, then you'll find the link in the description box below. Please do check it out. We have declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, and the imperative sentences. So this is it, and keep learning till we meet next. Bye everyone and have a nice day.